are 7 haunt zones scattered around Universal Studios for Halloween Horror Nights. Some of them are rather generic, but others have their own distinctive personality. The New York Toxic Spill is a lot of fun, but we tend to prefer London, the Medieval Village, and this one, Dead Town, because each in its own way has an old-fashioned, spooky atmosphere that is perfectly appropriate for the Halloween season.
You okay?
Don't go that way. Jason's up there. He's after me.
That guy saw him.
That was so
What is wrong with you? No more, please, no more. No.
Lay me down to sleep. It's what to take.
The backlot is certainly much longer than it was in 2007 or 2006, with an extended tour through Camp Crystal Lake. However, we can't help feeling that the backlot was best in 2006 when it was inhabited by brain-eating zombies who were capitalizing on the carnage left by the plane crash. Still, 2008 has its advantages, although we do believe that Universal is overusing their licensed characters. Jason, Freddy, Leatherface, each of them has his own maze, yet they also appear on the backlot, and we think it might be better if Universal took the opportunity to insert a few other horror elements that aren't available elsewhere in Halloween Horror Nights. The one exception we would admit is Jason, who after all is most famous for haunting some woods. The outdoor setting of the backlot is perfectly attuned for him, much better even than his own maze, where the indoor setting mitigates a little bit against capturing the feel of the Friday the 13th films. It's also nice that they actually inserted a maze on the backlot, although it was a little bit cheap looking, you know, a kind of what they call clothesline maze, just a few flats and some sheets blowing in the wind for Leatherface to hide behind. But hey, it's a step in the right direction. We hope they keep expanding each year and do something even better for 2009.